Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make sorrel fruit cake. Yes. So in my bowl here I've got 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I also have 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of allspice, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I'm just gonna add it all to my flour mixture because I'm starting off with my dry ingredients. And I want to give it a stir so everything will all combine together. So that's done. So here I have 1 lime, guys. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grate my lime zest to my egg, because you know egg, guys, can be so raw. So what the lime does, it take away the rawness. Okay, you don't want to eat your cake and it tastes raw now. So I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon. Okay, like so. And I'm also gonna add the lime juice. Just make sure there's no seed get into it. I'm adding half of the lime juice, yeah. And you just want to take your whisk and just scramble it out just a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, just to move it around. So that's perfect for now. So this is my sorrel, guys, and I'm gonna use 2 cups for now. If I need any more, I will always add more. So what I did, guys, I just boiled my sorrel for at least 10 minutes and I just leave it to cool, okay, and then strain it off. Yes. So here I have my bowl, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of room temperature butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my sugar, guys, and I'm gonna add half cup of sugar. Okay, take my hand mixer and just mix it all in. So now, guys, I just add my eggs, and what you want to do, you want to add them a little bit at a time. Okay, yes, and just take your hand mixer or your wooden spoon and just mix it all in. Just make sure it is all combined. So now I'm gonna add my mixed fruit with raisin and cherry soaked in Jamaican red label wine and rum. Okay, so this is what it look like. I have a video, guys, on how I blend it and how I soak it. You guys can have a look on my channel. So now I'm gonna add my blended fruit first, and I'm gonna add at least 2 cups, guys. Yes. Now you want to blend it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. Okay. Look at that. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my sorrel, okay? You just wanna combine it all together. I'm gonna add my remaining sorrel. And now I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. And you wanna add a smaller amount at a time. Give it a stir. And guys, if it need any more flour, you can always add flour, okay? And what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna add some red food coloring to it to give it some color, because you know that sorrel guys not gonna make it have a lot of redness to it, so you have to add some form of food coloring. So I'm just gonna add some. I'm gonna stir it all in. So that's my red food coloring. I only have a little bit left. And you can also add your rose water. Mix it all in. And I'm gonna also add some of my Jamaican white rum, at least 1 tablespoon. And you want to give it a stir. And as I said guys, if you want it to be more redder, you can always add some more food coloring, okay? Yes. So what I'm gonna do guys, here I have a 6-inch baking tin, and what I did, I make sure I put some butter all over it. Yeah, that's it. Like so. And I'm gonna put it in my oven guys for at least maybe 1 hour, but I will let you guys know exactly what time. Yes. So it is all finished, and guys, it's been in my oven for at least 1 hour, just over 1 hour, and 150 degrees Celsius, okay? So what you want to do, you want to take a knife or whatever you have, and you can paste it through the cake to see if it dry. If it comes out wet, that means you need to put it back in the oven. So now guys, I'm gonna add some of my Jamaican red label wine and my rum to my cake, okay? Because what you want to do, you want to put it all over on your cake, because you want your cake to be nice and moist. As soon as you take it out of your oven, as long as your cake finished, you just add the red label wine and the rum together, okay? You just want to sprinkle it, or you can get a spray bottle and sprinkle it on it. And I also add some of my sorrel into my red label wine. Yes. So guys, I just decorate my cake with some cherry and mint leaf all around it, and I'm telling you, it looking so good. And guys, the other bigger cake that you see, that is like a 9-inch cake. Okay, yes. So this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna cut into my cake. Oh my goodness. Honestly guys, it came out perfect and it looks super delicious. So nice and so moist. This recipe right here is a must try. Please guys, share this video to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit your notification bell for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. So there you have it guys. That's how I make my sorrel fruit cake. I'm telling you, if you do try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.